Deciding whether to pay off your mortgage or keep your Bitcoin investment depends on several factors, including mortgage interest rate versus expected Bitcoin growth. If your mortgage interest rate is lower than the annual return you expect from holding Bitcoin, keeping the Bitcoin might make more sense. Historically, Bitcoin can have high returns, but it's also very volatile. If you believe Bitcoin will outperform your mortgage rate, for example 3% or 4%, it may be advantageous to let the Bitcoin grow. Financial security and risk tolerance. Paying off your mortgage is a low-risk option that guarantees a return equal to your mortgage rate. This approach offers peace of mind and reduces financial risk, especially if the housing market or Bitcoin market becomes volatile. Holding Bitcoin is riskier due to its high volatility, but it has potential for high rewards if you're willing to take that risk. Tax implications. If you sell Bitcoin to pay off your mortgage, you'll likely incur capital gains tax on the appreciation, which could be substantial depending on how much the asset has grown since purchase. Paying off the mortgage is a non-tax deductible investment unless it's your primary residence and you can deduct the mortgage interest. Reinvestment potential. If you pay off your mortgage, you free up monthly cash flow that could be saved or invested elsewhere. However, the return from reinvesting this money in stocks, mutual funds, or even Bitcoin may not match the potential high returns of Bitcoin depending on market conditions. Personal financial goals and flexibility. If eliminating debt is a primary goal, paying off the mortgage can provide psychological and financial freedom. However, if you're comfortable carrying debt, keeping the Bitcoin gives you liquidity and flexibility. A blended approach could also work. Sell enough Bitcoin to cover a large portion of the mortgage, or refinance to lower payments if the rate is favorable, and leave the remaining investment in Bitcoin, especially if you think it will appreciate over time. This gives you the benefit of reducing debt while keeping some exposure to Bitcoin's growth. Ultimately, the decision is up to you. The best approach depends on your risk tolerance, your views on Bitcoin's future performance, and how much peace of mind is worth to you. Subscribe and stay tuned for more.